horsepower duct gold edition portable cordless vacuum is going to put the FUN in cleaning, as well as the POWER in cleaning, the power. This is the 86704, and for all of those quick messages, which I feel like those are the ones that are all day,
yes,
every day, this is going to be the one to do the job for you. We've got it for $39.98, so very affordable. Of course, it looks like a duck because of the yellow bill. It does come with some extension tools, so you can use this as your all-over quick cleanup tool. And once again, we're offering 3 easy pays of $13.33, excuse me. Megan Elizabeth braved the elements, and why we were saying to everyone earlier, please stay in. If it's not safe to go out, it's not.
It's
3
not.
hours to get here.
It took me 3 hours, a normal 30-minute drive.
Right,
so
yeah.
Be safe out there.
So be careful, stay in if you're able. Thank you for your efforts in getting here.
Thank you.
Real quick, the horsepower duct comes with the extension hose.
Yes.
You get a concentrator nozzle as well as a dusting brush. It is a rechargeable vacuum, so again, the cord comes with it, and you get this great little bag to hold all of your duck and accessories.
Yes.
But the most important thing is you can go anywhere with it.
Yes, you can go anywhere with it. I love it for in my car. My kids love it for doing quick little cleanups because it is such a fun and cute little thing, but don't let its fun fool you. Like you said, it's all about the power as well. So this is going to be great for all of those quick clean up messes. And I'm going to be able to just get right in there and go to work cleaning up maybe the little spills and crumbs around the kitchen, or maybe it's the kids were having a little extra snack and, you know, they left a little mess behind. It's all those little things that we have.
In the car seat.
The car seat.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
We always had a rule, like certain cereals, if they got eaten after a couple days, it's okay.
Yeah.
Because they have a shelf life
Sure.
of like 6 months. But to try to keep your car and car seat clean, this would be perfect to have in your glove box even.
Yeah, it's so great to have in the glove box, and you can just see the power that it has as it's pulling the cereal right into it. I don't have to be right over top of it, trying to fight with it. It's doing the job and making the quick cleanup messes super simple. And it's so easy to be able to empty out as well. And we're giving you all the extra accessories to be able to get in those harder to reach spaces. So all you need to do is you just twist it off. This little HEPA filter just pops right out, which I love that we have that HEPA filter. You can dump it, and you're ready to go again to start cleaning up those messages.
Those filters are replaceable?
They are, but you can.
You also can clean them?
Also rinse them off and reuse them. Let them dry for a good 24 hours first is what we like to recommend. But I also love the size of it too. This is my favorite water bottle that I take with me everywhere. Look at the size comparison of the water bottle to the duck. I mean, it's smaller than the water bottle, but it makes such a difference when you want to travel with it, when you want to take it in the glove box, when you want to have it in those different places around your house and around your life. You can put it in the kitchen drawer, and it's just easy for those quick messes.
Yeah, and the quick messes, like I said, are the ones that happen not just once, but throughout the day, constantly.
Yeah.
Even nooks and crannies, like, you know, where you store your toaster.
Yeah.
Take this out and clean up the little crumbs that fall out of the toaster every night. In your junk drawer, where you put all of the daily mail, you know, stamps, all that kind of stuff. There's usually crumbs and those kind of things. In your craft room, when you're doing some project with the kids, here's the perfect little thing for a little cleanup. And now with that extension hose, you can take it wherever you need to go.
Right.
What's the runtime on this, roughly?
So it's 16 to 20 minutes, but we've had people get more than an hour out of it, but our official time is about 16 to 20 minutes.
Well,
so it really has a good amount of time. Easy to charge. It's a simple C cable recharge, so you just plug it into your USB. We give you the cable that you need. So it's going to be easy to even recharge in the car. You don't have to think about taking it back and forth. So having one for the house, one for the car, one for your spouse's car can be a great option as well.
Right, and our messes, I mean, we live in our cars, as you all know, and you just experienced. How many snacks did you have when you're in there? This is the perfect little, you know, 10-second tidy to clean up all those messes. Can sit in your utility drawer. It's charged and ready, so whenever you have those little messes, you can clean it up. Every time my grand dogs eat, there's always crumbs you know, stuff left, so this would be perfect for that. And, you know, 15 to 20 minutes of runtime, if you think about the little 10-second tidy that you're doing, you're only going to need, you know, a couple of minutes to get the average mess cleaned up in the kitchen.
Exactly. And I think that's why people say that it's easy for them to get an hour out of it, because they're not just running it for that 20 minutes consistently straight. So I love this too, because then even like taking it to the places where you want to brush up the messes as well, and use that to sort of pull things and maybe do a little quick cleanup around things like that you need more detail work in. So whether it be
your computer your computer keyboard, all those
or
spaces.
the windowsills, or inside the little trays, or the tracks of the sliding doors, places like that as well. So this is very handy for that. And then it is just such a simple twist to empty, which I love so much. And you're just going to simply line up the little green lines that we have there on the top. You're going to give it a little twist. You're going to pop that HEPA filter right on out and just dump everything into your wastebasket.
It's a supplemental tool to the Big Vac and all of those other uprights that you're using to clean around your house. And again, if you just need a quick little 10-second tidy, clean up a little dog hair, get a little spill if you spilt the salt when you were making your drink, or we could use it to clean up after Pat. She made a mess with the smoothie. This is the perfect thing for that. And again, you get the duck, you also get the extension hose, a concentrator, the little brush, the charging cord, and it all goes into the horsepower duck bag. This is the gold edition. $39.98 is the sale price, with 3 payments of $13.33. Thank you for braving the elements. What are you looking forward to optimistically this year?
Oh, well, I'm looking forward to better health in the new year. I'm looking forward to health for my family. I'm looking forward to kicking through some things that we've been going through in the last couple years. And I'm excited for more time here at QVC with all of you.
Awesome. Well, we're glad you got here safely. Thank you for your efforts. We appreciate it. Continue in the process of placing your order. That is the 867